Hey, buddy. Where are we going, Amy?
To a pumpkin patch.
Michael and I said there's no hay on this hayride.
That's what I said. That's what I said.
No, you can. I mean, I figured it. Like I said, I didn't know.
You want me $5 to go want to pick out pumpkin wins.
That's one. The ones we really like, put over here. And then we'll decide later. So which one you like? This one?
I like salsa.
Okay. We're
Okay.
making a pile of the runner-ups. So the ones we like the most.
Okay, take it over to the
Going
stack.
over there to our pile.
All right, let's go, Jamesy. All these pumpkins are gorgeous.
Well, can you
Say
only
your
grab
joke
one
again.
that you like?
All the pumpkins are gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Ha.
So funny. What about ice cream? So we just narrowed it down and eliminated these pumpkins that were good, but not the best.
Yeah, which ones are we doing?
So we have pumpkin A, B, and C. And we like all of them. What do you think?
I think C is a good carving.
Yeah. This one's your favorite?
I like the middle one.
I like the middle one. I like them all. Wait, which one do you like the best, Catherine? This one. So you like two here, two here.
I like C.
Let's vote at the
This
very
one?
end.
Yep.
Yeah, let's vote at the
Put
very
Beckham
end.
down. See which one he goes.
Which pumpkin? Which one?
Which one do you like the best?
Go find one. Which one?
Do you like this one, or this one, or this one?
Which one?
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Michael, which one did the family select? Okay, pick it up.
Pick it up.
Carry it back. We don't need to take the hayride.
We'll take turns, but don't hold it by the stump because they fall off.
What are we doing tonight?
We're gonna cut this pumpkin.
Come on, guys. Are you holding my pumpkin? Look at this pumpkin.
That scared you, huh?
Oh, leave that.
It's like a trap you.
This will remember.
Let me see yours, Michael. Oh, don't let it go around. I found that one for you. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Hey, look. It's a book. They're black. Oh, there was a...
Did you have fun? Was it lots of fun?
Hold up your pumpkin, Amy.
Oh, perfect.
Let's go on the swimming pool. Does it work? I need to. I want.
Cheese. Beckham.
Look at Mama.
Beckham. Get you if you don't smile. Hey, don't I'm gonna
smile
get you,
at Mommy.
Beckham. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Hi.
One.
Okay.
And
Look at Kaylin.
okay.
For my birthday,
Oh.
Steve and Janet got me this, and we just kind of had a little experiment. You remember at the beach, the Birdie Bots, earwax, etc. versus good ones.
Oh, those food.
None of these are anything except food. Like there's not like grass or something. But they're spicy food. No. Okay. Here you go. You can have it. Put the whole thing in your mouth. Yes, eat it all.
Oh, too hot.
Too hot. You want a drink?
Yeah.
Okay, go get a drink. These are cayenne, next spicy, habanero, and these are Carolina Reaper.
Oh.
And they're so bad.
Pick one, Michael.
These
Come
are
on.
good.
Okay.
Okay, this one.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Did you put it back?
Okay, do I have to swallow it?
Yes.
You have to chew the whole thing and swallow it. Move your hand, move your hand, move your hand. No, no, no.
Really that hot?
The middle.
Okay, the middle one is hot and not very flavorful. Like, this is one Catherine ate. She ate the whole thing.
Well, Catherine ate.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Catherine did a backflip. I'm like, if she did it.
Like, it doesn't even taste that good. You guys all have to have one of these. Yeah, go ahead.
How is it, Amy?
I really need a habanero with David.
Okay, David.
David's having a habanero. You want a habanero at the same
Not that
time?
hot. The flavor just sucks. Ugh.
Yeah, there is no
Whoa.
flavor except pepper.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I want that one. Wing sucks.
It was no good, huh?
Yeah.
Whoa.
All right, Kaylin, which one did you get?
Pleasure eating that.
Habanero. It's hitting you hard.
Oh, I need to tell you
You can get that sense of goal when you get older.
How are you?
Grandma.
You're like, that's
Grandma.
Sheesh.
Don't do that.
Oh.
What'd you eat?
Grandma.
Should just have normal jelly beans. Just
No. Yeah, yeah, because you're the
David,
the
which one
that's
did you
taken it
have?
The best so far.
Okay.
I'm like sweating, but I'm not like that.
John, he's crying into his britches. Do
What did you eat?
you want to get down?
Habanero.
Is that one?
I had one of these and one of these.
Lots of chews. Chew.
Chew with your teeth.
Hey, give me that, Beckham. Give me that.
That's enough. You can.
You can throw it away.
Carolina Reaper.
I would love that. Yeah.
Okay, go.
It's
Come
not
on,
that
you
bad.
can do
Do I
it.
just swallow it?
No, chew the whole thing
Oh.
and then swallow it. But you gotta chew it all.
They're not good. They taste bad.
That was the disgustingest thing I've ever done.
The disgustingest thing you've ever tasted. See, it's not bad, right? Until you start swallowing.
Would you like the water?
Open your eyes and get some watermelon here.
The spitting challenge.
It only lasts 15, 20
Embrace
minutes.
the pain.
It's spicier when it's quieter too. I don't know why.
It grows.
But if no one's
too.
talking, it just you concentrate on the
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm gonna have this one.
At least it's got some
Fun.
flavor. Your eyes might water a little, but yeah.
That tastes good.
It's got flavor. It's a lot better than
Oh, now it's getting spicy.
That was the most.
Look at David. It's still stuck in.
Oh, we gotta swallow it.
Catherine is going to eat the cayenne one. Here, sit down. Sit down. Is that you screaming, Catherine?
It doesn't taste good too.
It's like pepper, right? Like just hot, spicy pepper.
Get set. Go. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Don't stop. Woohoo! Okay, where are we going right now?
I don't know which way to go. Michael,
Where are we going, Michael?
Oh, I just saw. We're going that way. Well, don't break your arm. That's some advice. Yeah.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
I won. First one is good. 3, 2, 1, go. My feet touch the ground first.
Why does that make me really nervous?
Ah! Okay, there we go. Bridge is fully functional. Then follow the sidewalk. Yeah, this way. Follow the tide. Yeah, there's a turtle in these waters. There's one, or maybe a family even, of turtles in here.
Any alligators?
I don't know, but I know that it's like a pond. I tried.
Anybody see any fish?
No. Oh, they're usually right here, waiting for their food to be thrown down.
It's really hard to see.
I usually see them under the water. Oh, I see one. Oh, I can't see it anymore. But I'm gonna look for that turtle.
I'd never want to explain to your mother what happened. Okay, keep going, Jamesy. Good turnaround. And Michael's being disobedient. Michael, no. I said no.
Well, I'm already up here, so now what else?
Come on down and get off.
Okay. Well, now you know that I can do it, so why can't I do it?
You thought you could do it at school, too.
What? No, I
You
was
can
not
do it
gonna
when you're fully healed. Okay, come on down the rest of the way, Jamesy.
And plus, they said that I could do normal stuff.
Okay. Hooray for Jamesy! Yay, you did it!
Ribbit.
Where are you riding to?
Hey, that's actually can't move. Because that's about something under it, what connects to it. And also makes it fun, but also makes it not move. I got so stronger. Even on no, James, I can. If I put my feet right there, then it will just go down. I'm pushing.
Whoa, James is gonna be in the air for the rest of his life.
How? Wait, James, just try going down on your side. Like try putting all of your weight on that side to see if anything works to get you down.
Nope.
Yeah, I don't think so. Well, you're kind of getting there. Sort of.
James, what's going on?
Too far.
How come you guys are up in the air?
Ow! Ow! Ow, James! Now just me and you.
Okay.
Wait, I'm going down. Okay. Okay, now ride the elephant. Okay.